Unlocking the power of coconut oil, 7 reasons you should make the switch. In a world where fad diets and conflicting health advice abound, it's time to set the record straight about coconut oil. Contrary to common misconceptions, coconut oil isn't just another cooking oil, it's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Here are 7 compelling reasons why you should embrace coconut oil as your go-to cooking companion. 1. Shedding light on fats. Unlike many conventional oils, coconut oil doesn't contribute to unwanted weight gain. Packed with medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, coconut oil serves as a readily available energy source for your body, bypassing the fat storage process common with long-chain triglycerides, LCTs, found in other oils. 2. Igniting your metabolism. Experience a metabolism boost like never before with coconut oil. Not only does it convert to energy rapidly, but it also ramps up calorie burning, helping you torch fat more efficiently. Say goodbye to sluggish metabolism and hello to newfound vitality. 3. Balancing omega fats. In a world saturated with omega-6 fatty acids, coconut oil offers a refreshing change. Rich in omega-3s, this nutritional powerhouse helps restore balance to your diet, promoting overall well-being and vitality. For energizing your body, harness the natural energy-boosting properties of coconut oil to fuel your day. Loaded with MCTs, coconut oil revs up your metabolism, leaving you feeling revitalized and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. 5. Nourishing your skin and hair. Discover the beauty secrets of coconut oil as it works wonders for your skin and hair. From soothing rashes to combating yeast infections, coconut oil boasts antioxidant properties that protect and rejuvenate, leaving you with a radiant, youthful glow. 6. Unleashing healing powers. Dive into the therapeutic benefits of coconut oil, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Unlike other oils prone to oxidation, coconut oil remains stable, safeguarding your body against harmful free radicals. 7. Elevating your culinary experience. Elevate your cooking with coconut oil, the ultimate kitchen essential. With a high smoke point and unparalleled stability, coconut oil shines in high-heat cooking, making it a versatile and health-conscious choice for your culinary creations. Thank you for joining us as we've uncovered the myriad benefits of coconut oil. From its metabolism-boosting qualities to its skin-nourishing properties and beyond, it's clear that coconut oil is not just a cooking ingredient, but a versatile powerhouse for overall well-being. So, why wait? Make the switch to coconut oil today and unlock a world of health and culinary possibilities. Until next time, stay healthy and stay empowered.